Hi, I'm Tobias Bridges. I'm one of the Crescent product managers at Apex Tool Group, and I'd like to introduce you to our Crescent Code Red renovation tool. One of the features on our nail pulling plier is that the jaws are parallel so that when you're gripping nails, staples, you have the maximum force so that you can roll them out. Another feature is to use this curved head so that you can grip and smoothly roll out your staples and other fasteners. Finally, our comfortable grips provide more control with easy one-hand operation. Here are some of the applications of the nail pulling plier in use. Staples, old nails, floor nails, and molding. With less damage and non-marring. The Crescent Code Red nail pulling pliers for your serious renovation.